Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you. This combines two of my favorite business models, print on demand and Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how you can sell print on demand products correctly inside of Facebook Marketplace and fulfill all of the requirements that Facebook sets on you. And first, we're going to talk about the power of print on demand. It's by far the best business model online today. I've been saying that for a while now. You get to literally sell hundreds of different products, physical products, that are produced only when ordered. Okay, that's the print on demand part, right? Produced on demand. And what is on demand in e-commerce? Well, that means when something is ordered. And that should be the light bulb moment for you right there. You get to be paid for products that don't exist, and you never have to touch the product. And we're talking about apparel, homeware, accessories, hundreds and hundreds of different physical products that you could sell, all without ever touching any inventory, without ever needing to order anything up front. No employees, no dealing with shipping, no packaging. All you need to do is get customers. And that's why I've wanted to combine it so badly with Facebook Marketplace. Because Facebook Marketplace has literally hundreds of millions of targeted customers ready to buy from you directly inside of Facebook. So Facebook Marketplace is Facebook's nationwide version of Craigslist. And it started off just being local, but they've made updates over the past 6 to 8 months where now you can actually sell nationwide. You can ship your product. And that introduces the ability to sell no inventory business models like drop shipping and, of course, like print on demand. And sellers from literally across the United States can sell nationwide. There's no listing fees. There's no stores. There's no monthly fees. And the reason that this works so well is that Facebook has trillions upon trillions of data points about all their users. And of course, they're going to leverage all that information. But on top of that, they also control all of the millions of Facebook pixels that are out there on the internet, right? All the different marketers. If you have a Shopify store, you have a Facebook pixel, right? Think about all the different stores and websites that have Facebook pixels. All that information is being stored by Facebook. They're leveraging that information as well. And they're creating the most targeted marketplace in the world. Facebook Marketplace has more data than any other e-commerce platform that's out there, right? Because they have all of that social data directly on Facebook and all the pixel data. And why does that work so well? Well, when you open Facebook Marketplace and when I open Facebook Marketplace, we see different products. We see products that are laser targeted to things that we like, to places that we've clicked on, to brands that we've interacted with, to all the different types of stores that we've visited online, right? Facebook has all that data and they curate the products. So Facebook Marketplace brings the buyers to you as the seller. All you need to do is have a good product. Well, we already talked about the product. That's print on demand, right? We're combining print on demand, the great product, with the marketplace that has no monthly fees, no stores, no listing fees, and has all the data about all the buyers, right? This is the perfect combination, the best business model combined with Facebook Marketplace that has all these buyers. Now, there are some pain points in terms of doing print on demand on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, there's no direct integrations. This is very new. Really, not many people are doing print on demand. Not many people are doing Facebook Marketplace in general, but definitely not many are doing print on demand on Facebook Marketplace. So there are no direct integrations. We might see those later on as Facebook Marketplace becomes more popular. But right now, we still need a print on demand app via Shopify. So we'll still need Shopify to do the print on demand portion here. Many of you in my audiences, you guys already have Shopify stores, so this is no big deal. Now, the biggest pain point is you must ship within 72 hours, 3 days, right? Not that the product needs to get there in 3 days, but it needs to be shipped within 3 days. 72 hours, it needs to have full tracking. And there are no exceptions on this. This is very important. This is how you get paid out by Facebook Marketplace. And this is the biggest issue with print on demand on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, print on demand, the product is only produced when it's demanded. So the product doesn't exist yet. And because of that, it's hard to meet Facebook Marketplace's regulations for that 3-day window to get the product shipped out. So what we need to do, and what I've been really working hard on over the past couple of weeks as Facebook Marketplace has really been expanding, finding a print-on-demand provider that can consistently ship within 24 to 72 hours with a tracking number from the United States. Okay, and that's kind of the secret sauce or the secret combination that's needed. Not really a secret. Facebook tells you, right? It needs to ship within 24 to 72 hours A print-on-demand provider that can meet those regulations will be, immediately the number one solution for Facebook Marketplace print-on-demand. And that is PrintBest, the print-on-demand company called PrintBest. I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly why I use them for Facebook Marketplace and really why they're the only option that I trust in order to get that consistent 24 to 72 hour processing time for that product to be shipped out and to get a tracking number. So you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you check them out. They're the only print-on-demand app that is going to work with Facebook Marketplace's regulations. So let's go over the shoulder. I'll walk you through exactly how this works with print-on-demand, Facebook Marketplace, and PrintBest. So first things first, we're going to go to printbest.justinscener.com, printbest.justinscener.com. Link is directly below this video. Again, they're the only app that's going to meet that 24 to 72 hour requirement on Facebook Marketplace. And you're going to get brought over here to PrintBest. And what we need to do, you can either click Get Started or come right up here and click Sign Up on the top right. Sign up, a variety of different ways. If you happen to already have an account, of course, you could just log in over here. We need to do this first in order to actually connect into our Shopify store. So we're first going to printbest.justinscener.com, and we are going to register for a free account for PrintBest. And again, you could learn more about them. You could take a look at all of the different product options. But look over here, 1 to 2 day printing available, 1 to 2 day printing available. Right, this is huge. This is game changing. This is exactly what I was looking for. Like I said, looking for not only offering 1 to 2 day printing, but doing it consistently, doing it at a high level. PrintBest does exactly that. And that's why I highly recommend them for Facebook Marketplace. And they're really going to expand and really change the game on Facebook Marketplace. They're the only print-on-demand company that can work. And you're going to start to see people offering print-on-demand products. People are already doing drop shipping. Now they're going to be able to do print-on-demand products with that 1 to 2 day and sometimes 3 day shipping, all of which hits under that 72-hour guideline that Facebook requires for you to ship products. So again, you can go through this site. It's printbest.justinscener.com. You'll be able to, again, see the link directly below the video. You'll sign up, and then you'll be able to actually have an account. Once you have an account, you'll come back over to your Shopify store. You do need a Shopify store for this to work, right? This is a Shopify integration. There are some other integrations as well, right? And PrintBest is, trusted across different platforms. There are no direct integrations for Facebook Marketplace yet. So I'm going to show you how we do that. But you go into your app store, and we have a PrintBest app already installed, and it's going to just bring you back over here. You'll just need to log in to the account that you just created. So I'm just signing in here. And then it's going to bring you over to your dashboard. And over here, I have my one store already connected. You can go ahead and add a new store, which is what you'll be doing, adding your store, which is basically how you make the connection into Shopify. And it's really the idea of just making connections. And if you need to add multiple stores, right, we literally come over here and it's going to ask you to connect to the Shopify store, and we could add the app directly. I already have it in here, but if you were going to add into a new one, you could just simply put in your ugly My Shopify URL, the one that looks like that. You just literally copy and paste it, and then it would make that connection into your store. I've already done that, as you see over here. And what we want to do is go ahead and add a product. Okay, we have the Add Product button over here, and this is very similar to all print-on-demand providers. What we want to do is look at the different types of products that we can offer, and we have a huge catalog of products, right? All the different types of apparel, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, drinkware, right? Drinkware is super popular, right? We'll be trying this on Facebook Marketplace as well. All of these products are able to be integrated into our Facebook Marketplace listings. And remember, we don't have a Facebook Marketplace store, right? We just basically have a Facebook Marketplace listing. And there are, it could be 10 listings, it could be 100 listings. We're going to get started with our first listing right now, and we still need to create the product on Shopify first. Okay, we haven't gone over to Facebook Marketplace yet. And we'll come over here and work with the 11-ounce ceramic mug. Of course, this could work with any of the t-shirts or the hoodies as well. I'm going to go with the mug over here. And we have our little product designer here where we're going to actually create the product. And we're going to link it into our Shopify store just like we would any other Shopify product. We just need it to be over in there so it's integrated into our print-on-demand app. We're then going to take it from Shopify and move it into Facebook Marketplace. But let's first create our mug. See the different options that we have in terms of the interior color over here. And this is a nice high-quality product from PrintBest. We can go all white or we can go black on the inside. What we need to do is then create or upload our design. This is how print on demand works, right? We're going to upload a design to go on top of this product. So I'll click upload design over here. You see that we have the editor right over here. We can skip through this since we've already gone in here. And what we want to do is upload our own artwork. And we'll just click from my device. You could also link it over there. Now I'm just going to grab a design that I have. Okay, here's one for the wedding niche. And you can position it in a couple different ways. It shows you kind of the centering of the mug. It shows you where the positioning could be. It's really up to you in terms of if you want it to be centered, if you want it to be on both sides. I'm just going to center it nicely right over here. You have full control. You could actually even add more images over here. You could add text. You could add whatever you want. In this design, we're going to go ahead and generate this store preview. We don't need to do anything else specific to this Shopify listing because people are going to be creating, this product or buying this product on Marketplace. So we're just going through here. We're going to add the product over here. We see our mockups. This is super important, right? I'm going to open this in a new tab. This is going to be the image for our Facebook Marketplace listing. So I'm going to save this image. I'm going to right click and save. You can take these other images as well. I mean, honestly, with a mug, you don't really need to provide all these different angles of the mug and how it looks, right? They get the idea, but I'm going to grab all the images just in case. We'll come over here and click continue. For this setup over here, again, we're just using this to list and have the product connected to print on demand. On Facebook Marketplace, they're going to buy directly on Marketplace. They're not going to come over and buy this. So we could literally just leave this blank. What I want to do is just give it a descriptive name so I can see it myself. No one's going to be coming on here to buy this. Now, over here is the part, you can do a couple different things when you're buying. I like setting the price to 0 over here, but oftentimes the app's not going to allow you to do it. So you could do 0, or what you could do is set it to basically just the minimum price. Right, let's just say it's a penny, for example, and publish over here and press continue now. This is just giving you the kind of finalized design look in terms of what the file you uploaded is. And the reason that we set it to a penny, you'll see in a second, we're going to give a coupon code, and we just need to set this up once. But the idea is that we need to either give a coupon code for 100% off, or we need to set the price to 0, right? You're going to ask, well, why would I want to set the price to 0? Remember, we're only using this Shopify listing as a means to fulfill Facebook Marketplace orders. Right, so all we need to do is get orders on Facebook Marketplace, come back to our Shopify store and place the order just like we would with a drop shipping order, and we'd put the customer's information on it. So this just takes a couple seconds. They're actually creating the product. This product is going to be listed inside of my store, meaning it's ready to be purchased. Okay, so at this point, when the product is ready, we're going to go over into Facebook Marketplace now and create our listing. Now I'm over here in the Facebook Marketplace new listing section. And this is literally just inside of facebook.com/marketplace. If you have a Facebook account, you have a Marketplace account. And we'll come over here and click item for sale. Okay, and this is really super easy. This is just a one-page listing. Now, understand that on Facebook Marketplace, people will be able to pay directly on Marketplace. We're going to set our price over here for our mug. Let's say we set let's say $25. Right? We could set our price. We could set our title. And we could include some keywords in there and all that great stuff. I think it's probably 2 words, right? Best man, mug. We'll use the exact images that we had saved before, so I'm just dragging those images right over here. You'll see all 3 get on there. Again, it's probably not necessary to put all 3. We could rearrange the order if we want. Obviously, we're going to start off with that one. Coming over here, sometimes they'll recommend a category if you do a good job with the keywords. Over here, we'll just basically look for some kitchen stuff here. Let's see, kitchen, drinkware, and mugs. Okay. Actually, something to note over here, you see it says shipping available. That's very important. Of course, we need to have a category that allows for shipping. Almost all of them are. But that's going to be the idea where we're not selling locally. I'll show you that in a second. Over here, of course, it's new. Product description. We could literally grab it directly from our product, right? Here's our product on our Shopify store. Remember, I set it to a penny. No one's going to be able to see this product. No one's ever going to buy this product. This is just for us to go and actually use it to fulfill. So I'll come back over here and I'll just literally copy and paste that into the description. And we don't need to put a brand. We don't need to put a color, really. It's pretty obvious. We definitely want to put tags, right? It's worth putting all 20 tags here. I'm just going to go pretty quickly and just put one, but we put mugs, drinkware, best man, wedding, gifts, all these different tags that we want in here. A lot of people like clicking this, hide from friends. Not really a big deal, but this will literally just hide it from your Facebook friends. Now, over here is the big deal. We need to set up shipping, okay? And I'm showing you an account here that doesn't have shipping set up just so I could show you this step. This is only a one-time step. So once you set this up, this will be gone. And what you'll have over here is delivery method shipping. So you'll just select that. But I wanted to show you this set up shipping over here. You can read how it works, but basically you just need to do this once. And it's going to prompt you to start entering in your information. Make sure you enter in your real information here. Okay, don't put any fake information. Don't use a fake account. And you'll basically just click through here. I'm not going to click through because it's got some of my personal information on here, but make sure you put your correct information, your correct shipping address. You'll also be prompted to put in your bank account information so you could receive the payouts. And then you'll be able to actually publish your product. Okay, so you'll have your shipping set up. You'll have your product published. Okay, great. Now your product is inside of Facebook Marketplace. You wake up one morning and you have your first order. By the way, there's no ads. There's no boosting posts. There's no paying for anything, right? Facebook uses all their data to find people that are going to want this product. Okay, so you wake up, you now have an order. Okay, and that will be inside of your Facebook Marketplace account, and it'll be go inside your My Orders section inside of your Facebook Marketplace account, and you'll have the customer's information. You'll have their name, their shipping address, and obviously what product they bought. Okay, now you have the product information. Now you need to fulfill the product, but there's no direct connection between Shopify and Facebook Marketplace. So how do we get PrintBest involved here? Well, we need to order this product just like we would, any other product, and we want to ship it to our customer. Now, before we do that, I'm going to come over here into the product. And again, you can come over here into the discount section. You can create a 100% off coupon code. You can create a free shipping coupon code, or you can just come down here and then edit the price, which is what I'm going to do, to free. Just easier this way. You don't need to mess with any payment information. Again, this is just you ordering it simply to get the order into the PrintBest system. Okay, now we can come back over here. We could reload our, we could reload the product page over here. We'll take a couple seconds to update the product pricing. Okay, now it's set to 0. And what we literally do is go and select the product, add it to our cart, and then we go and check out. Now this is a demo store, so we're not going to be able to actually check out here. But what we do is come over here, check out, and inside of the checkout page, we would go ahead and enter in the customer's information, right? Not our address for shipping, right? The shipping address over here is going to be the customer's information. We just simply grab it from the order section in our Facebook Marketplace, copy and paste it over here. Total will be $0, so they're not going to ask for payment, and then we'll submit the order. Okay, that's all that you need to do. And yes, it is not, automated at this point. But this is the first way, the only way, that we're going to be able to get all of those print-on-demand products into the incredibly powerful Facebook Marketplace. So we place the order, we complete the order. What would then happen is coming back over into PrintBest, we would see in the My Orders section, we would see, again, this is a brand new account over here that I just connected, but in the My Orders section, we would see that exact order that we just placed. Right, whoever bought it on Facebook Marketplace, copy and paste their information, buy it here. It costs us nothing in terms of the storefront. We just, again, need the order to be placed into my PrintBest. Why? Because they do all the rest, right? They do the fulfillment, they do the printing, the packaging, the shipping. They even send the tracking number automatically into the order section. But again, there's no direct integration there. So the final step is once this product changes the status to shipped, you'll then be able to grab the tracking number, come back into Facebook Marketplace, go back to the order, and paste in the tracking number. So all the fulfillment is still done through Shopify, through PrintBest, but it unlocks the entire world of Facebook Marketplace. And this is brand new, guys. This is really something that is just starting to work right now. Over the past couple of weeks, maybe month, I've been doing consistent order flow through here with that 1 to 2 day, sometimes 3 day processing time. So take a look at the link directly below. It's printbest.justinscener.com. Again, it's going to allow you to actually use Facebook Marketplace with print on demand and meet all of the guidelines that Facebook requires. So this is a bit of a long video, but totally worth watching again if you missed a few steps. Get this going and jump into the game early. Be one of the first print-on-demand sellers on Marketplace. You can go in there right now. I promise you, you're not going to find a lot of print-on-demand products right now. You'll find dropship products, but you're not going to find print-on-demand, and that opens a huge world of product for you. So jump in there ASAP. Links directly below this video. I hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon.